It is 6:15 on a Friday morning. I'm going to head over to Steve's for coffee with Kevin. After that, we'll be going to Kevin's shop to do the timing on a Triumph he's working on, and I don't know if do a test ride, but we're going to set the timing, and he's got some other stuff to do over there. By the time I come back here, it should be warm, and what I'll do is I'll roll this guy outside and wash him down with good spray of S100, and then spray him off, and then use a little degreaser on him, and try to get the top layer of storage dirt off of him. He's been stored sitting idle. The last time he was registered was, let's see, 1990. So it's been sitting a long time. I looked in the tank. The tank is actually pretty darn clean inside there. I'll fill it full of nuts and bolts and some kerosene and shake the heck out of it. But that's about it, because it's pretty darn clean. I'm amazed. So once I get this guy sprayed down and clean, then I'll put him up on the lift. The gold bike is going out in the next few days. We've arranged to get a machinist to make a battery box under the tail section. Once we get a battery installed, then we can do all the other things that the client wants: electronic ignition, electric starter, all that neat stuff. The head for this black Norton over here, and the head for Fred head, and black Norton head are both at the Vapor Blaster, supposed to be finished today. My bikes are sitting idle. So the plan is we're going to take the head from this Triumph, the head and the rocker boxes, to the Vapor Blaster and leave them when I pick up the heads for the two Nortons. So we'll get this cleaned at the same time. I've ordered all new valves, guides, upgraded guides to later versions that use oil seals. 2,000 over, so they should go in with a little bit of machining. And that way we can have oil seals on the intake valves. And at that same time, I'll have the jugs bored over 20 thousandths, which is, because I've ordered new pistons. Nobody seems to offer 10 plus 10 thousandths pistons anymore. They all start at 20. Anyway, so we'll bore the jugs. Got the new pistons on order. Gonna get the head cleaned. Got the new valves coming. Got everything coming. So I'm gonna put all this stuff on the shelf. I'll find a place for it over there. And take this bike down and park it in that open space there. And after spray cleaning this bike this afternoon, I will put it on the lift and start the audit. So that's sort of a status report on what's going on in the shop. I have another bike showing up here Saturday. Don't even remember what it is, but another bike coming in Saturday, and that'll go into the input queue. So, don't know what else to say. That's the way it is here on Griswold Road.